Welcome back to Mad Brad's Customs. That's right, been busy. Got to do an official for MLF. Hoping I'll get to do another tournament as soon as they get one that's close enough I can afford anyway. Yeah, it's a lot to travel these days. Anybody can do it. If you get on the list, I guess. You got to get qualified. But anyway, let's move on. Mad Brad is going to repaint the back bumper. It's a brand new bumper from Ford. Painted it, put it on, and daggone if somebody else didn't tap her in the back end or something, but it got scratched. So I'm just going to tape it up and repaint it. I'm in the process of doing tape up right now. Yep, and let's swing right on around here because I am busy. We got a Mach 1 in the house. Okay. I don't know whether if anybody saw the Mach 1 I've got, but I will walk out there and show you. The gentleman that owned it had a deer hit him in the door and the fender. He had already bought a new door. It was wrapped with that color blue on it. And I think getting this stuff off is, yeah, I guess if you had two people, it would come off easier. But I just heat it a little bit, pull it. Heat it a little bit, pull it. Anyway, it will be painted. I've got paint coming today. Let's walk outside real quick. Summerville, South Carolina is beautiful today, everybody. Yep. There it is. So this car, I did a Carfax on, and I was wondering, because the man said, this just happened not long ago when he first got the car. And I see two different colors. And then I did the Carfax on it. And this car had been damaged right here once before. That's what's on Carfax. But I don't understand that. So nothing on Carfax about that. But it showed damage. Didn't say what, but it showed minor damage this side. And then I think you can see the different colors, hopefully. But anyway, apparently somebody put that crazy 4.6 stripe kit on it. And somebody took those off, which, yeah, I kind of don't like any of it. So what I plan on doing is probably redoing all this. I got a new one coming for that. We will repaint that a shaker, and it's got some decent tires on it. But I was thinking about ordering the deep dish Mach 1 wheels. I don't know. Give me your thoughts. I know that this is going to be a pain in the neck because it was on one of the other GTs and Cobras or whatever I had. Getting that window film off. It's got the wrong tail lights in it. But also the motor has thrown a rod. And that's why I got the car at a decent price. Anyway, it's got Cook's long tube headers on it. It has a full exhaust system on it. It has welded in subframe connectors. Car's got a lot of good stuff on it. Most of the engine, from what I can tell, is all original. I didn't see anything added to the engine. But anyway, Azura Blue. I love it. All right, people. Just giving you an update. Keep watching what I do. Mach 1. We out.